I'm going to show you how to remove the Kawasaki Ridge back window. At the top, there's just a bolt, and at the bottom, there's 2 bolts per side. They utilize a rubber grommet. So remove the bolts, you'll remove the rubber grommets, and then you can do your window tint install. You can see the L brackets and how it looks on the inside is a very easy removal.
All right, so I'm going to show you the back window on this Kawasaki Ridge. So we've tinted it, I've let it dry for a little bit. You're just going to take an Olfa knife. Because of the rubber grommet system on these machines, you're going to take your Olfa knife. Because the film's dry, if you just carve out the circle, such as that. You don't want to do this while your film's fresh, but you can carve out the circle pretty easily. You just gently poke through and let your Olfa kind of ride, or your knife. You could probably even do this with a razor blade, ride through the edge of the glass. This is probably a little too fresh. Maybe you'd want this to sit overnight. This has only been sitting for about an hour. But then
once the film's cut, you can reinstall your rubber grommets into the glass. Once the rubber grommets are installed into the glass, you can bolt the back window back into the machine. You want to make sure that you don't over tighten it because you don't want to crush the rubber gasket around the window. This will create water leaks, but this is a very easy machine and back window to tint.